Hey John, my name is Justin, and in this video, I'm going to show you three things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely, you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, the answer is oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. So sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things they can do today to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Justin. Please do this for me. So by the end of this video, you like what you heard and you see that I have a lot of tips and tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan and use this for yourself, hey, that works for me too. So now let me show you the three things that will set your company above your competition. Let's not waste any more of your time or mine. So the three things I want to talk about with you today are: first thing is content, second thing is citations, lastly is backlinks, right? First thing is content, right? As you can see, I'm on your website here. Overall, I would say really good design. Really like it. It's a really clean design. What I'll say is Google needs at least 1,500 words of content to be optimized with Google, right? And it doesn't need to just be 1,500 random words. It needs to be keyword-rich content. For example, you're a plumber in the Mesa area, right? So we want text that says plumber in Mesa, AZ. Uh, Expert plumber in Mesa, AZ, plumber in Mesa, Mesa plumber, plumbing repair, Mesa, right? So you want keyword rich content on your homepage to tell Google exactly what you do, right? So what I did was I went to a competitor's website. This guy's called the plumber. As you can see, straight off the bat, expert plumbers in Mesa, AZ, right? So that already tells Google what they do. Exactly, right? So this is going to help you rank in Google's eyes, right? So as you can see above, about the plumber, more content here, plumbing services, Mesa, AZ. Then they go over all the services, right? All these keywords of content here. Schedule service, so they have a call to action here. They have a number, you just call quickly, right? You need plumbing services. They go over their services right on the homepage because that helps rank. Again, you need 1,500 words. More content here. Again, more and more content here for Google to digest and go over. Again, more content, right? This is every service area on their homepage, right? So that's going to help them rank for those service area keywords, right? Why choose us? Again, more content, free estimate full, emergency hours, right? So this is really going to help them. Again, schedule service. You have a call to action, another call to action if they go all through the whole entire page and still haven't done anything, another one to tell them. Then you have testimonials, and then finally the footer, right? So as you can see, they have a ton of content for Google to digest, right? Right. So that's what for content. We went over content. Let's go over citations, right? So what I did, right? Plumber in Mesa, AZ. I searched that up in Google, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna skip these first two because these are sponsored ads, right? So these plumbers are paying for ads, right? So let's talk about that. Ads can be hit or miss, right? So if your website's great, you got your offer dialed in, you got people answering the phones, your pricing's correct, everything is right, ads can be great. On the flip side, if that's not the case, you're gonna be throwing money down the drain. And I know you guys know about cleaning those dirty drains, fixing those drains. Let's skip that for now. We're gonna go down to what we call the Google Map Pack, right? So it's gonna be these right here. So as you can see, I hover over them and it shows up in the map pack, right? And this plumber is the same one here that I clicked on. That's up here. It's the same company, right? So you're wondering, Justin, how do I get into this map pack? Well, great question, right? So let me show you. That all comes down to citations, right? So as you see, all these arrows, all these other businesses are pointing back to your business, right? So basically, citation, we want your business name, address, and phone number listed in multiple directories, right? And it needs to be exact. Your exact name, address, and phone number in every directory, right? So we want that in Google, Bing, Facebook, Yahoo, Yelp, white pages, right? So when we go back to these top three here have an average of 150 citations. So what we want to do is get you 200 to 300 citations to really beat your competition by a landslide. And that is totally doable, right? So imagine if someone searched up plumber and Mesa Z and you were top three in this map pack, right? Imagine how much your phone would be ringing, right? All right, cool. Last thing I want to talk to you about is backlinks, right? So what I did was I copied your URL and I put it into this software. And this software is called Ahrefs, right? What's really cool about this software is the behind the scenes curtain of what people are searching for on Google. So I can see what they're searching for. So when I look at your backlinks, right, you have 82 backlinks. So let's look at that. And then let's talk about backlinks, right? So you guys are a plumbing company, right? So not all backlinks are created equal, right? So if I were to get you a backlink from Pizza Hut or Domino's, since you guys are not in the pizza making business and phone making business or service business, that are not relevant to you, and Google knows that, right? So one great link could beat out hundreds of crappy links, right? So if we were to get you a good link, right? So let me see. Right, example, right here, perfect. You have this one, like 4.9 million, right? Better Business Bureau. This is a great link because the Better Business Bureau has so much authority. So if they link back to your website, they give you that authority, right? So I can see this link is killing it, right? So this is a great link for you. This one's not so much, but you can see based on traffic if these are good links, right? So as you can see, 0, 5, 0, 0. As you can see, Google is seeing these as spam, right? Because these are not good links. They're just a bunch of quantity, right? So you're getting a lot of quantity, but not a lot of quality, right? So we want to get you both quantity and quality, right? So let's go back to your overview. And backlinks are powerful because they work with your keywords, right? To boost up your keywords in the search, right? So we're going to see what you're ranking for. So you have 2 organic keywords you're ranking for. We're going to look at that. So you're ranking for basically your company name. So if someone knows your plumbing company name, they search for you, but you're still in low positions for your company name, right? So what we want to do, so I did the same. I went here, copied them, I put them in the same software, and look at this. They have 126 backlinks and 69 organic keywords, right? So this alone, this number of backlinks alone, they're already beating you, right? So what we want to do is get you 150, 200 backlinks to really beat out the competition, but not just crappy links. Let's get you these good quality links, right? So we can see this 9.8 thousand. This would be a good link for you, right? So we can go in, if you can see, I can click on this. I can click on this link. I can go in and get your company this link, and this is automatically going to boost you up in those search rankings, right? So we want to get you these higher quality links, not just quantity links, right? But why are backlinks so powerful? Like I said, they work together with the keywords, right? So we're going to see what they're actually ranking for in Google. There we go. So we got 69 organic keywords. So they're ranking for 69 organic keywords right now. And as you can see, they're ranking for Plumber Mesa, Plumber Mesa AZ, Mesa Plumber, Plumber Cream Creek, Mesa AZ Plumber, Mesa AZ Plumber, Plumber. So, and look at the position they're in 2.5, 4, 5.5, 2, 4, 4. So they're on the first page. So if someone is searching for a plumber in the Mesa AZ area, they are going to be first, right? They're going to be in the top spots, right? So this is why backlinks are so powerful, right? So in closing, once again, we went over content. You want at least 1,500 words of keyword optimized content on your homepage to really tell Google what you do. Second thing we talked about is citations, right? What is a citation? You want to get into this Google Map Pack, right? Your average has about 150, so let's get you 200 to 300 citations, right? And what is a citation? A citation is your business name, address, and phone number listed in multiple directories, right? So let's get you 200 to 300 of those to really beat out your competition. Last thing we talked about is backlinks and why they're so powerful, right? You want to not just have a bunch of quantity, but quality, right? You want both, right? And these power up these keywords like Plumber Mesa AZ, Mesa Plumber, things that people would search if they actually need a plumber in Mesa, right? So you're probably wondering what now? Well, you can either take this information and use this for yourself, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, give me a call at 480-232-0315. Once again, my name is Justin, and that number is 480-232-0315. I look forward to hearing from you, John. It was great talking to you. Bye-bye.